Hi guys, it's day 6 of Madness Week, and I have a confession to make. I make a lot of annoying noises. I mean, really properly annoying noises. And the noises, not only are they annoying, but they just go on and on and on and on and on, and I cannot stop. And it's just instinctive, and I just, I don't think instinctive is the right word actually. But today I'm gonna annoy you a bit by just making annoying noises. So this is gonna be good. Yeah. Enjoy. Noise 1. The cheek pop. I look a bit like the Scream when I do that. Noise 2. The mouth pop. I could do this all day, you know. Noise 3. The click and clap. Ah. Finally, noise 4. The long ah. I had a mini fake. So those are the annoying noises which I make. It gets worse than that really, because I just sort of combine them and mix them together to make an evil, annoying concoction of noise. I need to blow my nose. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I have to jam me off my window handle thing. Bye!